Welcome to the New South Wales Online Registry website. To pay your penalty, please click on the link on the right-hand side of the page. Once you have read the instructions, please click on the Pay Your Penalty button to make payment. Enter your payment reference number, or PRN, located in the Important Information section of your Notice of Penalty or Time to Pay notice. Please search and check all PRNs individually to ensure all debts have been paid. Click Search. The amount outstanding will be displayed. Click Pay Now to make payment. Enter the amount you wish to pay. You have 28 days from the court date to pay your penalty. If the full amount isn't paid and you're not part of an approved time to pay arrangement, the debt may be forwarded to Revenue New South Wales for enforcement action. Enter your credit card details. Once you have entered your credit card details, please click the Make Payment button. You can choose to download transaction details if you require confirmation of payment. If you wish to receive the penalty payment receipt, please enter your email address. Click Send. Once your payment has been completed, you may choose to make another payment or to exit the website. Thank you for viewing this video on how to pay your court penalty online. If you have any further queries, please contact the New South Wales Court Service Centre on 1300 679 272 or alternatively email nswcsc@justice.nsw.gov.au.